So,
hi James, we're standing here next to the Demisto booth, a fabulous company that got recently acquired. Tell us a little bit about your impression from the show. A couple of days have gone by, it's the biggest day by far, and you've been coming here for a long time, right?
absolutely, this is my second day at Infosec for this year. I've been coming for, 15 years. An excellent event, a great opportunity to network with peers and end customers as well. So, thank you.
And what about your booth? You have like a good traffic here, lots of interesting leads.
Oh yes, so our booth compared to last year significantly improved. As you rightly say, we were acquired by Palo Alto for 560 million in March. So we've had massive expansion over the past year, particularly in the region, and it's just absolutely great to be back. So.
Terrific. Tell us about your biggest growth vectors, your growth engine. What are the vectors that you're selling to now that you're part of the larger framework of Palo Alto?
Yeah, so absolutely. So obviously that process is still ongoing in terms of channel, etc. So that's to be confirmed. But we have there's a Palo channel, and there is currently a Demisto channel, and we're just working on that at the moment in terms of what the future will look like. But for us, it's very much business as usual, I would say, in terms of working with our partners. So.
And which type of customers are you mainly targeting here in the UK?
It's very interesting because pretty much all customers are having a challenge around alert volumes, alert fatigue, inconsistent IR handling processes. So Demisto is essentially an instant response platform. Okay, so we're providing automated playbooks to help, leverage the existing resources they have and make them more efficient. So we're finding all companies, from small to large enterprise, they all have the same challenge, and obviously we look to address that with automated playbooks. So
can you say that you are the cure against the alert fatigue that is plaguing the industry?
Yeah, absolutely. So it's a very emotive subject for me. So I used to be a security analyst. So I've been there fighting the fires, all the alert volume and alert fatigue issues. So that's why I'm so passionate about it, and our team's so passionate about it, because we're trying to automate a lot of that tier one stuff that's very repetitive and soul destroying. So we look to automate about 60% of what a SOC does today, and we free up their time to do the high value activity like proactive threat hunting. So my goal is to eliminate kind of all tier one analysis. Again, speaking from experience, it's not a fun job. So.
And I imagine that AI has a big part to play in that automation.
Yeah, absolutely. So we do have our own application of machine learning, and ultimately Demisto is a collaboration tool. So not only does it do automation, but all the analysts collaborate on an incident, and our solution is monitoring their behavior. So let's just say an analyst leaves and a new analyst joins a company. As they're responding to an incident, our solution will give them advice. Normally an analyst would run this command or run this playbook. So that's where our adoption of machine learning could help keep that tribal knowledge that you sometimes lose when an analyst leaves a company. So
you're really addressing the most acute need of the market now, the need for more qualified security personnel.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the adoption rate for, so Gartner calls this SOAR, so security orchestration, automation and response. About 10% of companies leverage an off-the-shelf solution like Demisto today. There'd be about a 70% adoption rate in the next 2 years. So it just shows that everyone has this challenge. I think all vendors are now trying to have an automation message, and I think that just validates the market. There's a real problem that we're trying to solve here. So.
What I really like about Demisto, and I think the market has responded in kind, is the fact that you were answering a real business operational need within the security.
Yes.
You gave the right solution, hence the amount of adoption and your acquisition.
Yeah, I think what's very unique about this is just the ability to demonstrate a return on that investment, and that return is time. By automating large chunks of what they do manually, they save countless hours of time per day within the incident response team, and then the business will then associate a cost saving to that. So all we're doing is saying, before, maybe a phishing incident took me 20 minutes, now it takes 2 minutes. And then we let the business say, well, how much money are we saving per incident? Because now we're saving maybe 18 minutes a day or whatever. So I just think it's very easy to associate the time saved and then the money saved by being more efficient. So.
Terrific. So I wish you were going to have a great event here.
Thank you very much.
Finish the year very strongly within Palo Alto. We'll see you more in the future.
That's very kind. Thank you so much. That's great. Thank you.